but it's fun for me, Russian.
What's out, man?
Okay, this is really important. Guys, physics, geometry, math, all of these things impact directly on using your powers.
Oh, sorry. Can I have another?
Does anyone else need a handout?
We all need to take this seriously. Scott and I are your instructors now. At least Bobby is paying attention. Thank you, Bobby, for taking this seriously. All right, where is Bobby?
I'll go find him.
Yeah, I'll help.
Cheer up, Gene. We'll get through to them. Trust me.
They're pushing us somewhere. This is a trap, and we're walking right into it.
You don't know what you're talking about.
It's called experience, kid.
You're wrong. And stop calling me that.
You have to trust me. Let me help you.
No one can help me. Not you, not anyone. The only way I'll be free, the only way Hydra and S.H.I.E.L.D. will stop hunting me, is if I'm no longer alive.
Kid, you and I have been through the same kind of things. And even though they took my memories away, I've proof that you can get beyond this.
I wish they'd take my memories away. If you really want to help me, stop following me.
This look like a trap to anyone but me?
I'm sorry.
It's over. No, kid, don't!
Welcome to Hydra, Weapon X.
Where's the girl?
Back where she should be. Within Hydra, the people who own her.
Why can't you just leave her alone?
Leave her alone? She's the one hunting us.
Oh yeah, you're just the victim here.
She's been on a crusade to find and destroy every one of our bases.
Good girl. And you couldn't do anything about it.
Oh, we've set traps for her, but she's always managed to evade us. Until now. Now that we have her back, we can finish what we started. After we've wiped that rebellious mind of hers clean. When they're done with her, X-23 will be the perfect weapon she was designed to be. One without emotion or free will.
What about Wolverine?
Weapon X is last year's model. He's all yours, as per our agreement.
I told Gauntlet not to use the disc. It could interfere with the mind wipe. You deserve this, Logan. You and all of your Weapon X comrades. Look, Casper, I don't know what you're talking about. Who the devil are you? I will have my vengeance. You're only the first. Sabretooth, Raid, Maverick, you will all pay for... Quit your yammering and just do it already. I told you not to use the discs. What? What? You didn't? Come on. We gotta get out of here.
Why? This is exactly the place I've been trying to get into. The Supreme Hydra is here. She did this to me.
You wanted this to get captured?
Yes. It's you who shouldn't be here. Get out of here! You don't have much time!
What happened?
X-23 has escaped.